Hello Internet Nation. We're living in the harsh times where most of the people are barely living. Someone is living better, someone a little worse, but majority of the people are fighting every day to survive. Regardless of the category that you are in, I have decided to show you how you can live from the nature. Not so long ago, people actually lived from the nature only, but with the emergence of the broadband internet, Justin Bieber and Kardashians, people have forgotten about their connection with the nature. It's just incredible of the things you can find and things that grow in the nature. You just have to move yourself. This looks like an ordinary small bush, but if you look at it with more details, you can find, wow, a plaster for your arm and your hand. Well, we know that the arm angle is very important when you're hitting your wife, but sometimes, regardless of your experience, you do get yourself hurt. Most occasionally your middle finger. In such cases, when that happens, this plaster is your best friend. What you probably don't know, nice, a fully grown fire lighter, and it works just great. Fire lighters are always growing beneath this spiky plant. If your neighbor is making more money than you do, or the grass in his backyard is simply greener than yours, this is the best, and I mean the best tool to get his house burned down. Wow. Whenever you find yourself in front of a bigger tree, like this one here, always, and I mean always, make sure to check it, because, look at it. Wow, a set of fully grown and mature pens. Incredible. If you're one of those people that doesn't steal office material, I'm sure you're gonna find this finding very, very interesting. Look, it even has Spider-Man branding logo. You know, Spider-Man is my favorite DC character, and when I was little, Spider-Man and Bill Clinton were my two favorite superheroes. Whenever you find the remainings of a cut tree like this one here, you can be sure that you're gonna find something. If you look at it more closer, you can find wow, this shovel has grown perfect dimensions. Just look at it. Whenever you go out potting, make sure you bring it with you, because with this shovel you can make perfect lines of cocaine, and I mean just perfect lines. Incredible. Whenever you find yourself near a little bigger source of water, like this one here, make sure to look it very detailedly, because you can find, there they are. Whoop, I have to be careful. Can you see them? Let me pick them up. A pair of banana. You can always find bananas in the places like this. And what is great about these bananas is It doesn't matter if you're black, white, Asian, or you vote for Donald Trump. These bananas are gonna feed you and give you the necessary energy to share this video.